These are our short A sounds. So when the letter A comes after the consonant, it sounds ah. Ba, ba, back, ba, ba, back. Blah, as in black. Blah, blah, black. Bra, as in brand. Bra, bra, brand. Ca, as in cat. Ca, cat. Cha, as in chat. Cha, chat. Cla, as in clap. Cla, clap. Cra, as in crab. Crab. Da, as in dab. Da, dab. Dra, as in drag. Drag. Fa, as in fan. Fa, fan. Fla, as in flag. Flag. Fra, as in France. Fra, France. Ga, as in gab. Gab. Gla, as in glam. Glam. Na, as in gnat. Gnat. Gra, as in grass. Grass. Ha, as in ham. Ham. Ja, as in jam. Jam. Na, as in knack. Knack. La, as in lamb. Lamb. Ma, as in mat. Mat. Na, as in nab. Nab. Pa, as in pattern. Pattern. Fa, as in phantom. Phantom. Pla, as in plant. Plant. Pra, as in prance. Prance. Qua, as in quack. Quack. Ra, as in ran. Ran. Sa, as in sand. Sand. Ska, as in scam. Scam. Sha, as in sham. Sham. Sla, as in slab. Slab. Sna, as in snap. Snap. Spa, as in span. Span. Sta, as in stamp. Stamp. Ta, as in tap. Tap. Tha, as in that. That. Tra, as in trap. Trap. Va, as in vat. Vat. Wa, as in wax. Wax. Wa, as in what. What. Ra, as in rap. Rap. Ya, as in yak. Yak. Za, as in zap. Zap.